How to fix Facebook code not received. Just all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Play Store, right, like this, and go to the search bar and search for Facebook like this. I'm sorry. And now all what you have to do on this page is click on this update option to update your Facebook, because if you don't have the latest version you will have this problem of the code not received. So make sure to update your Facebook app to receive the code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.